Hello everyone, welcome to ThoughtsPlus Devlog. My name is Yasmin and I'm a contributor here at the ThoughtsPlus team, working alongside Majid and Mauro. If you caught our last devlog for version 604, you saw the big picture, the core features, how the app works, and our mission to keep this tool powerful and free for everyone. Since then, we've been busy. We've moved through version 605 all the way to 609, and we've got some massive updates to show you. First up, Flashcards. We've implemented a full system with Anki import support. And the best part, you can now convert your notes directly into flashcards. We also added auto-importing into folders and some nice UI touches, like colored folder customization to keep things organized. If you're feeling a bit lost with all the new tools, don't worry. Check out the in-app tutorials in settings. It's a full guide to help you get started. One of the biggest requests from the community was better file support. Now, you can drop PDFs, Word documents, Excel files, and Markdown directly into your workspace to preview them. As of right now, it is a preview-first approach, but the goal is to make these fully editable within the app, layering ThoughtsPlus tools right on top of the native file features. We've also sharpened the global theme, moving away from the super rounded look to something a bit more pro and workspace-focused. We also fixed those little friction points, Dateless Tasks. We know you don't always have a deadline, so now you can add tasks that just need doing without picking a date. This was another huge community request. Finally, we're testing out web export and QR codes. You can now export your calendar to the web and pull it up on your phone at thoughtplus.me-app via QR or JSON. Look, we know it's a bit of a rough solution right now, but it is how we keep in sync free for everyone whilst we're refining the process. We're working on it. It's a work in progress, and we really want your feedback on how to make this smoother. That was the bulk of what's new in 609. We're moving fast, and your feedback is literally shaping the roadmap. If you have any issues or bugs with the app, or you want to suggest an idea or show a concept, please go over to our GitHub issues section. Fill out the issues or idea template. This allows you to paste any terminal errors, attach images, and really help us understand what you're experiencing or envision the concept you have in mind, which makes it a lot easier for us to act upon it and keep it in one place. The link will be in the description. Thank you so much for sticking with us, and we'll see you in the next one.